Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the most valuable insights to help you make smart car buying decisions. Today, we're diving deep into a topic everyone cares about: 12 SUVs that mechanics personally recommend. This isn't just another trending list. These are vehicles that have proven their reliability over millions of miles and countless repairs. If you're worried about buying a used car that might turn into a money pit, this video is your safety net. We'll break down why these SUVs are so durable, low maintenance, and hold their value so well. Let's dive in because every SUV on this list is a true hidden gem. Number 12. Acura MDX. We're kicking things off with a giant of reliability, the Acura MDX. When mechanics talk about vehicles built to last, the MDX is always mentioned. It's a luxury SUV with the heart of a true Japanese car, durable and dependable. I once spoke with a mechanic who's worked on these for over 20 years. He told me he's seen older MDX models with 250,000, even 300,000 miles, that still run as smoothly as they did fresh off the lot. The secret? Solid Honda engineering, with powerful, long-lasting V6 engines and a transmission designed to withstand the test of time. The 2025 MDX's starting price of around $50,000 might make you think maintenance costs are high. But the truth is the opposite. Annual upkeep is only about $600 to $800. For a luxury SUV, that's incredibly reasonable. And when it's time to sell, it holds its value remarkably well, retaining about 50 to 55% of its original value after 5 years. This is a smart investment, not just a car. Number 11. Lexus RX. If you want luxury combined with absolute reliability, the Lexus RX is the answer. Lexus built its entire brand on one word: dependability. And the RX is the jewel in its crown. Why do mechanics love it? Because they rarely have to fix it. The RX is one of the few cars mechanics say they would actually want in their own garage. These SUVs regularly surpass the 200,000-mile mark without major issues. That's thanks to Lexus's meticulous attention to detail and the use of components refined over multiple generations. The starting price is similar to the MDX, at around $50,000, but maintenance costs are even lower, at about $500 to $700 annually. An amazing figure for a luxury car. And if you think luxury cars have poor resale value, the Lexus RX will surprise you. It retains about 55% of its value after 5 years, beating most of its European rivals. You buy an RX not just to drive, but to own an asset that holds its value. Number 10. Honda Pilot. Moving into the family-friendly segment, we have the Honda Pilot. This is the three-row SUV that mechanics don't hesitate to recommend. The Pilot is known as a true workhorse. Mechanics often tell me, if you want a car that runs smoothly, is durable, and you don't have to think about it, get a Pilot. They see Pilots with 200,000, even 250,000 miles that are still running perfectly. With a starting price of around $40,000, it's a great value for families. Annual maintenance costs are low, at about $500 to $600. And its resale value is also very strong, retaining around 50% of its value after 5 years. What's the key takeaway? Major repairs are extremely rare. Most issues, if they arise, are minor and easy to fix. This provides absolute peace of mind for owners. Number 9. Kia Telluride. A few years ago, no one would have expected a Kia to make this list. But the Kia Telluride has changed everything. It has quickly become a phenomenon in the mid-size SUV world, not just for its stunning design, but also for its surprising reliability. When you talk to mechanics, they'll tell you about the robust V6 engine, the solid drivetrain, and the continuously improving build quality. They've seen Tellurides with 200,000 miles and beyond without major mechanical issues. With a starting price of just $38,000, it's a great bargain. Annual maintenance costs are also very affordable, at around $400 to $600. And it holds its value at about 50% after 5 years. If you're looking for a modern, stylish, and dependable SUV, the Telluride proves you don't have to overpay for quality. Number 8. Toyota RAV4. This is an essential name on any list about reliability. The Toyota RAV4 is a symbol of durability. Mechanics often laugh when talking about the RAV4. You don't need to fix it, one told me. You just change the oil and add gas. It's a joke, But it's true. I've seen RAV4S easily exceed 200,000, even 250,000 miles. What's the secret? The time-tested four-cylinder engine and Toyota's undeniable reputation. With a starting price of around $28,000, it's a mainstream SUV that delivers premium durability. Maintenance costs are low, at about $400 to $500 annually. And its resale value? No rival in this segment can compete. The RAV4 retains about 55% of its original value after 5 years. Number 7. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 offers a unique combination. It's not just durable, but also fun to drive. It's the perfect choice for those who want a reliable car that isn't boring. Mechanics are very impressed with Mazda's build quality. They often see well-maintained CX-5s reach 200,000 miles without major issues. With a starting price of around $29,000, it offers an excellent balance of performance and long-term dependability. Annual maintenance costs are very low, about $400 to $500. And it also holds its value well, at around 50% after 5 years. Number 6. Subaru Outback. When thinking of a car that can go anywhere, in any weather, and last for years, the Subaru Outback is the first name that comes to a mechanic's mind. They've seen Outbacks with over 200,000, even 250,000 miles, still running strong day after day without complaint. The secret lies in its unique boxer engine and the symmetrical all-wheel drive system that has been time-tested. The Outback isn't just built to last, it's built to conquer any challenge. With a starting price of around $29,000, it's an ideal choice for adventurers. Annual maintenance costs are about $500 to $600, and it retains about 50% of its value after 5 years. The biggest plus? Most repairs on the Outback are straightforward, and parts are widely available. This helps minimize repair costs, making it a truly dependable companion. Number 5. Lexus GX. In the 5th spot is one of the longest-lasting vehicles ever made, the Lexus GX. If you want a luxury SUV with the durability of a heavy-duty truck, this is your choice. Mechanics aren't surprised to see GXs pass the 250,000-mile mark. They've seen these vehicles amazingly exceed 300,000 miles. The powerful V8 engine and solid body-on-frame chassis make it virtually indestructible. The starting price is around $60,000, but it's a worthwhile investment. Annual maintenance costs are about $600 to $800. What's special is that major repairs are almost non-existent until the car has reached extremely high mileage. And its resale value is unparalleled in the luxury segment, often retaining about 55% of its value after 5 years. Demand for used GXs is always high because buyers know they are buying a car that will serve them for decades. Number 4. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is the mid-size family SUV, famous for its durability and practicality. It's a car you can buy, forget about all your worries, and drive for years. Mechanics often see Highlanders surpassing 200,000, even 250,000 miles without any major issues. With a starting price of about $38,000, it offers fantastic value. Annual maintenance costs are low, at just around $400 to $500. What makes the difference? The Toyota Highlander is built for smooth, trouble-free driving. Mechanics appreciate that parts are readily available and repairs, if needed, are simple. And the resale value? The Highlander retains about 55% of its original value after 5 years, making it one of the best value-retaining cars in its segment. Number 3. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is another legend of longevity. This is the compact SUV built for the long haul, to conquer any terrain. Mechanics often see Foresters reaching 200,000 miles easily, and many exceed 230,000 miles in great condition. Just like the Outback, the Boxer engine and symmetrical all-wheel drive system are key to its durability. With a starting price of about $28,000, it's an affordable option for those who want to invest in a durable car. Annual maintenance costs are low, at about $400 to $500, making it easy to keep the car in top condition. And it holds its value very steadily, at about 52% after 5 years. Number 2. Honda CR-V. No list about reliable SUVs would be complete without the Honda CR-V. It's one of the benchmarks for reliability in the compact SUV segment. I've spoken with many mechanics, and they all share the same opinion. The CR-V is the car we recommend for everyone, from students to seniors. The reason is simple: it almost never breaks down. The four-cylinder engine and transmission are designed to last. Mechanics regularly see CR-Vs easily pass 200,000, even 230,000 miles. With a starting price of about $29,000, it's a practical choice. Annual maintenance costs are low, about $400 to $500. Most importantly, the CR-V's resale value is impressive, retaining about 55% of its original value after 5 years. The CR-V is an absolutely safe bet. Number 1. Toyota 4Runner. And finally, the number 1 spot belongs to a living legend, the Toyota 4Runner. This isn't just a car, it's a legacy. The 4Runner has the strongest reputation for longevity in the entire SUV market. Mechanics often say they don't have to fix the 4Runner, they just do maintenance. They've seen countless 4Runners pass 250,000 miles, and many well over 300,000 miles. The 4Runner is living proof that a car can last forever. With a starting price of about $41,000, it's an investment for decades to come. Annual maintenance costs are reasonable, about $500 to $600. And when it comes to resale value, it has no competition. The 4Runner often retains close to 60% of its original value after 5 years. Its simple engineering, the durability of every component, and its unwavering reputation have made it the most dependable SUV you can buy. And that concludes our list of the 12 SUVs recommended by mechanics. This list isn't just about the cars themselves, but about the peace of mind and long-term value they provide. We hope it helps you make a smarter decision for your next vehicle. If you found this list helpful, please leave a comment to let us know which car is your favorite, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.